This one's for a friend. We're going to be getting into the worst snowstorm imaginable over South Lake Tahoe, and it's going to be intense. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be great. It's all about concentration. It's all about focus. But above all, it's about safety first. Yeah. So, okay, so today, Truckee. We're leaving from Truckee, Tahoe Airport. That's Kilo Tango Romeo Kilo. We're headed to Lake Tahoe, Kilo Tango Victor Lima. This is not VFR conditions. Snow. Pretty sure. So we've got the snow. Off. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. All right, here we are in the snow at the airport. It is snowy outside. Okay, so we've got our Cessna 152 checklist. We're gonna go buy the book to make sure this is done right. Okay, pre-flight, before starting engine, pre-flight check, passenger briefing. Seatbelts fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing. Shoulder harnesses fastened for takeoff, landing. Seat position adjust and locked in place. Check. Air vents, all environmental factors. Okay, so environmental factors, it is very, we're in the middle of a snowstorm. Visibility is very low. We are going to be using our VFR tracking as if I had an iPad in my cockpit. All right, fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. I don't see a fire extinguisher. Exit doors, check. Traffic scanning, spotting, notifying pilots, sterile cockpit, takeoff. So for taxi, takeoff, landing, nobody be talking, please. Fuel shutoff valve, check. Battery alternator, master. Beacon is on. We need to adjust our mixture. Our barometric pressure set, okay. Pump going. Fuel pump's good. Let's go ahead and give us a little bit of input on our throttle. Carb heat is on for now. Let's go ahead and turn our carb heat off. Bring it down to 1,000 RPMs. Check. Okay. Can I see the windsock? No, can't see the windsock. So what? Let's check our rudders. Sure, rudder pedals are good. Elevator's good. Ailerons. Let's make sure our flaps are good. Flaps. Very good. Let's put our taxi, go ahead and put our landing light on as well. Let's do pitot heat. We'll go ahead and throw on our nav and strobe. I don't want to worry about that when I get to the runway. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I need to put on realistic, I think. Let me get the flight sim realistic going. Okay.
FS realistic connected.
Truckee Tower, Cessna, November Alpha 653 Foxtrot. It's taxiing to runway 11 via Alpha 53 Foxtrot. Okay, clear for takeoff. Let's go. I just closed the map for now. Center line. All right. Throttle up. Airspeed's alive. Five, rotate. Okay, we're trying to keep our airspeed up. That's our focus right now. We are quickly losing sight of the ground. Now, the bummer is without VFR, I don't know where the mountains are. So I actually got to go up in order to get to where I need to go. So now we can start going up. Flaps are up. I'm going to go ahead and bring my map back up. And we're going to start making our right turn. Look at that snow. Climbing in a snowstorm can be quite dangerous. There is the airport. I'm overflying it. Not quite at 1,000 feet, but you know, what are you gonna do? It keeps fluctuating. Look at this. My vertical speed jumps to up to 1,500 feet per minute, back down to 500, while my airspeed stays relatively the same. I'll turn off my taxi landing. Not that I'm too worried about it. Okay, now we're at 1,000 feet. But if I get up to 8,000 and correct my heading here, I can see the ground. Okay. It's not terrible. It's not great either. And just keep the wings level. Again, I'm focusing on this indicator. This indicator shows me how my vertical speed is. So if it gets too high, I'm going to want to nose down just a little bit. But I don't want to lose speed, because if that vertical speed goes up, my airspeed will go down. And it's important to keep a proper balance between the two. I'm not a pilot. Okay, got a little break in the weather right here, where you can see the ground. So let's see how well we can see the ground down there. Not good. Gotta keep climbing. I do have crash on, so can crash. Terrain's getting closer. We need to climb again. I feel like we just... Yes, that's terrain. That's terrain. That's a mountain. That's terrain. Maybe it's just close. Okay, nope. We're good. We're good. See that? We're good. Okay, we're good. We're good. I'm losing airspeed though, so let's bring that down. Okay, let's bring it back up. Right about there. Right about there. Okay, we're good. Good, I need to keep climbing. Can't see the ground now, but that was terrain, straight up. We're almost there. We're almost to the lake. Approaching 8,800 feet. I want to get up to 9,000 to get onto the lake. Okay, I should come into sight of the lake at any moment now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, now the goal is to get my trim leveled out. Pull. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not sure what just happened. I think I oversped. That's okay. I'm gonna overspeed because I do want to drop down onto the lake. And I should come below the weather just enough to be able to fly the lake's edge. I'm gliding right now, pretty much. The lake's got to be down here, close. It's got to be close. Has to be close. Where is this thing? I am floating down. It is under me. It is here. Nope, there's the lake. There is the lake, baby. Okay, we got the lake in sight. The lake's in sight. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Nope. I can't see anything now. Oh, that was close. I was starting to climb. Even the fog on the lake, I can barely see. Let's see where I'm at. Okay. As soon as I start to bend to the left, I'm gonna track to the airport, maybe. Oh, it's getting pea soupy. No break in the storm at the moment. It is nice being this low right here, though. I am pretty low. Yeah, we'll come up on it soon. Uh-oh. Yep. Don't lose speed. Here we go. No. Oh, I'm losing it. Losing it. Gotta climb. Okay. Yeah, those trees right in front of me. This is my left. Okay. Now that we've made the left, I need to track to the airport. So, let's get our bearings. Let's pull up the VFR map. Yeah. So, we're gonna stay over here just until we get to my track. Yeah. Well, you know what? Screw that. I'll keep it as a bearing, but I am gonna go ahead and follow the coastline. There's some nice beach areas around here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down. Okay, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Recover. Whoa, man. There's some wind shears down here, guys. I'm trying to get down, trust me. There it is. Okay. 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 All right. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. Slow it down. Getting some spatial disorientation. Okay, there's the shore, thank goodness, because I was really getting disoriented for a second. You know, the snow started looking like the water and vice versa. Really terrible conditions to fly in. Okay, so I should be able to start making my right turn. Gently, gently, gently. Because again, I don't know where I'm at. I know my track is coming up right here. But I'm barely gonna come up on this airport. Yeah, it's gonna be in here somewhere. The airport is somewhere over here. So, again, we're VFR. I'm gonna be dropping in fast, so I got my rudders, got everything ready to go. Pretty low over the city right now. I'm breaking city ordinance to save my life at the moment, so you guys can cut me some slack. I flew in here once, but I didn't memorize the buildings, so I need to memorize the buildings next time. Where is it? So close. I won't be able to see it. There's only a 1 mile visibility. I'm gonna come up right on it. Lots of buildings. This looks promising. Oh, this looks promising. This looks promising. It's gotta be somewhere around here. That's it right there. Drop power. 1 degree of flaps. Right rudder. We're gonna slip it in. Okay, give it some power back. I'm just gonna fly runway. Okay, drift back, 2nd degree of flaps. Okay, I see the bulge right there. Okay, we're gonna come in. Got a little right to left crosswind. So I'm just gonna let it come down easy. Power's all the way out. Hold it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Welcome to South Lake Tahoe. Pitot heat off, landing taxi on. It's on. It's... Woo! Woo! Yes, that was intense. Ah, this is pretty. Yeah, it's nice to be on the ground. Let me tell you what. Give us the wave. Alright, that's it. Park and brake on. You should spear. Wow. Booyah. Welcome to South Lake Tahoe. Thanks for joining me. Peace.